Hey there, welcome. If you're tired of wasting countless hours trying to craft your own website or investing in costly service bundles that often overpromise and underdeliver, then you're definitely in the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive look at this AI-powered marketing tool that has changed the game for many marketers and business owners. I'm going to reveal the good, the bad, and some surprising features that no one else is talking about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly who this product is perfect for, where it may fall short, and how you can get 5 exclusive bonuses if you purchase through my link. So make sure you stay with me till the very end. Let's jump straight into a quick overview of the product, then we'll dive deep into the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. What is the product and key features? This AI application is designed to revolutionize the way you create marketing campaigns. Instead of spending hours or days crafting your lead capture pages, sales videos, and special offer pages, this tool does it all for you automatically using advanced artificial intelligence. Here's what it can do. First, it creates AI-generated product lead capture pages. These are optimized pages designed to capture your visitors' information, turning them into leads you can market to later. Second, it generates AI product review videos. These are high-quality videos automatically created without you needing to film or write any script. This is perfect for affiliate marketers or anyone looking to showcase products professionally. Third, it crafts special offers pages which are designed to present your products or services in the best possible way to increase conversion rates. Lastly, it creates AI-generated product lead magnets. These are incentives like free ebooks, checklists, or guides that help attract your target audience and encourage them to give you their contact details. Product preview. Since this product focuses on marketing campaigns rather than gaming or traditional software, there aren't any game clips to show. However, you can preview some example marketing campaign clips and video styles created by the AI to get a feel for the quality and professionalism the tool delivers. These previews demonstrate that even if you're not a designer or video creator, you can still produce top-tier marketing materials. Together, these features automate the entire marketing funnel process, helping you generate leads and sales on autopilot. Pros and cons. Let's talk about what I found to be the pros first. 4 unique problems this product solves. It automates lead capture page creation, no tech skills needed. It crafts product review videos automatically, so no need to script or record. It builds special offers pages that help increase conversions. It generates lead magnets that actually engage your target audience. Now for the cons. And honestly, these are pretty minor. There's no fully interactive demo video available for this particular software. Some features might require a bit of a learning curve if you're new to AI tool. But overall, these aren't major deal breakers. Ratings and final verdict. After testing the product thoroughly, here's how I rate it. Setup is a solid 4 out of 5. The tool is easy to use, but there might be a bit of a learning curve for complete beginners. Price is also a 4 out of 5. Considering what you get, the pricing is reasonable and competitive. Value for money gets a 4 out of 5 as well, thanks to the automation and features bundled into one product. Quality of graphics and videos scores a 4 out of 5. The AI-generated videos look professional and polished, which is impressive for an automated system. Overall, it's a reliable tool that can save you time and effort in your marketing campaigns. Exclusive bonuses. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know about some exclusive bonuses you'll get if you purchase this product through my special link. You'll receive over 100 free video editing templates to help you customize your content quickly. Viral video scripts crafted to attract views and engagement. AI video creation scripts that will help you automate your content production even further. An AI automation ebook packed with tips and strategies to optimize your workflows. A bundle of AI cartoons and animated videos to add creativity and uniqueness to your marketing. Remember, these bonuses are only available if you buy through my link, so be sure to check the description below. Outro. That's all for today. If you want more tips, tricks, and exclusive bonuses, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. I regularly share helpful content and updates in my YouTube shorts too, so you won't want to miss out. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification about this product. I'm here to help you make the most out of your marketing efforts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.